Hello and welcome to The Broken Doll, and tonight I come to you with these two little gaffers who need to be changed. You can see for Halloween they got their banana treats and they're just loving them, eating them and everything else. Before I go any further with this, I just want to thank everybody for enjoying my Halloween video and all the comments I got. I have a lot of fun making those. There's another side to this woman, especially when I get a microphone. My son bought that for me and I thought, oh, my world is going to change. You'll see another side to the Tamster here. Anyhow, I had fun making it. I laughed more than I was trying to sound evil in that, like spooky and evil type of thing. I had to stop so many times when I was videoing or using the microphone because I get myself laughing. I'm by myself in the house laughing my head off, so nobody else was around. But I have fun making those, so there'll be more coming because, like I said, Mama's got a microphone for her birthday productions here. So anyways, a lot of fun. But anyways, we're going to change these guys, get them out of their Halloween outfit, and have a little surprise to show you at the end here. So let's take this off. I had I would think over 60 children that came for Halloween at my house. The kids were just coming out of everywhere. I couldn't believe the kids. There were like vans just pulling up and just everywhere. I couldn't believe it this year. Last year, no, but this, like, it's so unpredictable, like what you're going to get. So I was running out near the end. I think I came in the house with like 4 little chocolate bars left. I was outside underneath my carport, and I just sat out there and gave the kids what they needed. So, but anyways, it was fun, nice and fun. So, anyways, I'm going to put this little outfit on her. I bought way long ago. I've had it sitting here, and it went on sale, and I picked it up, and so I'm going to put this on her. It comes with its own little headband and everything, so that makes it nice. And it's still fall. We had snow yesterday, but it was very, like, it came down as pellets, ice pellets, and then it changed quickly, and it went to snowflakes, and then it just disappeared. But the threat is there. It's starting to come. Old Man Winter is waking up. Somebody bonked him on the head, and he's awakening up. What else was I going to talk to you about? I had something else on my mind too. Oh yes, I know what it is. I have finished both my kitten dolls the way that I stained them and got, because they were, if you go back quite a few videos, but maybe 4 or 5 videos, you will see that I had some kitten dolls that lost their coloring. They went into like a chalk, ghostly white type of coloring. They lost their flesh tone. And so anyways, I put the flesh tone back in. I'm using some pastels, chalk pastels. Now, I videotaped what I did, but it was dark, and I didn't videotape after that anymore. I have them both finished. Now, I can show you the videos that I did make of doing it. It's not the best. Now, I'm also going to say to you, it may not be the way you might want to do this. Now, I know some like to use the oil pastels. This did work. It worked for me anyways. I can still show it. I don't mind putting them on if you want to see it. But if it's not for you, don't do it. Then that's, oops, there we go. Oh my goodness, that fits her nice. That's a nice fit on her. Oh, wow. Adele, you look nice in that. Oh, I like that. And it's made by Little Last Baby, it's called. And it comes with one of these elastic buttons, which I don't like. Okay, you got to open up that button. Ooh, come on, work with me. There we go. All right, there we are. Oh my goodness, Adele. Oh, your hair. I should bring out your brush sometime and we'll brush your hair. And we have the little head that goes right around your ears. Maybe put one over one ear. There we go, like this. Now, I did bring something else out for her, but I think I'm going to let that be for another time. We'll just let her go with this. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. Look at her. Oh my goodness, yes. She's looking right up at the camera. There she is. She's all ready. Still in her fall look. So if you want me to show it to you how I did it, it's not the best video taping that I've done. It's actually, it's dark. I'm hoping you can see, like, I know what I'm doing. So if you want to see it, I'm just going to say to you, if you want to see it, I'll put it on for you. But if you don't, if not, I don't get enough response to see it, I'm not going to put it up. But I do have both my dolls done. I'm just now putting the last of the sealer on the doll. So just comment down below if you want to see it or not. So then that's up to you, and I will do it for sure. I'll show you what I did. Like I say, it may not be for everybody. So, but what you're going to need, if you're going to do this, you're going to need your soft pastels. You're going to need acetone. You're going to need sponges. You're going to need a brush, and you're going to need water. And you're going to need patience. And you're going to, it's a system of putting the soft pastel on, then taking it off. Because what you're leaving behind is the light stain. And you paint it on, it goes on really dark. And I let it dry a bit, just a bit, and then I take it off with the acetone. Then I put it back on again, another color on. You're leaving behind, you may not see it, but you are leaving behind a tint in the vinyl. It's a slow process. You add a tint, and you let it dry a bit, and then I go back and I take it off with the acetone. The acetone just takes off like a layer of it, but that staining starts to happen. And then I stop with the acetone, and that's the process I don't show. It's the process of putting the acetone on, and then taking it, like putting the soft pastels on, and then taking it off. So it's up to you, you know, like if you want to follow that method. This is how I learned how to do it, and it worked. The dolls turned out, both of them turned out beautiful, but again, it's not maybe the way you might want to do it. So, but anyhow, as that may be. Oh, there you go, Abu. Abu, Abu. There we go. You look up in the camera also. You need to give them a good look. There we go. Now he's going to put on this little Old Navy outfit. And we're going to put, I got this quite some time ago. And again, it's one of those, where is it? Oh no, it's a snap. Thank goodness. Not big on those, put it up through the feet. There we go. It's getting cold. Actually, Abu's dressing a little bit warmer than Adele. He's getting his woolies on. Now these dolls just sit in a chair, and I wrap them up in a blanket so the dust doesn't, too much dust falls on them. And they just sit, and I just, they're eye candy to me. After I dress them, I just look at them and get my jollies from them that way, and I move on. But I love dressing them and undressing. This part I love, and a lot of people seem to respond. They love to watch the dressing of the dolls, like putting different clothes on them and everything. And I don't mind doing it if you don't mind watching, you know. So I try not to buy too much for them because it can become a habit. But if I see things on sale, I just can't keep it together sometimes. Sometimes I just have to go buy. But I'm holding back now, so they've got enough. And keeping the snap straight. Going to the right ones here. There we are. I think there's one more. Yep, one more. There we go. See if we can get that up a bit here on him. Not too much. There we go. Now, we'll fix you up this way now. Abu. And we'll do you up here. This is a nice... Now, I had some of these little wool outfits where it was all buttons and... Oh, I got tired of them. I don't mind the snaps. The snaps are great. But the... I wouldn't want this, like... I mean, this one I wouldn't mind, but some of those other ones I wouldn't want for a real child. I just wouldn't even entertain it. Not with them moving around and everything, trying to... For diaper changing, you know. Not for this guy. I know you wouldn't put them on every day, but anyways, this is a nice one though. I like this one. Old Navy did well by this one. Oh, there you go, Abu. Now, I'm going to take them off for a minute, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to put them in. So I'm going to back up this camera a bit, and you're going to see what I'm going to put them in. I bought this quite some time ago. This here is my banana basket. There we go. And I'm going to put them in the banana basket. They can sit in the banana basket for a little while. And it's shaped like a banana. There's the end of your banana. There we go there. Now we'll put a dowel on the other side. And we get this, I've got a clothespin here. There we go. Oh, won't even work. No, not going to happen. Need a bigger one. See if one of these would work. No, that doesn't look like it. Too much more. Here we go. Let's see if this will work. We just got a wider. There we go. And now we can put a dowel in there on the other side of it. There we go. A Boo and a dowel in their banana basket. I don't know if they look too comfortable in there. There we go. There, they're in their banana basket together. There we go. So everybody, aren't they cute? Put his little hat up. There, keep his head warm. There we go. Oh, and the dowel's getting hit by the lid. There we go. There's a dowel. They're in their banana basket. There we go. Let you see them there. And there they are, sitting in their basket. Adele's getting the worst of it, I think, here with the handle. But anyways, as that may be, maybe I can straighten some of it up a bit. There we go. There. There we go. And now they're both in the banana basket. And it even has the little, where you peel it at this end here. There we go, so you can see it. And their nice little yellow banana basket. So now they can sit in that for a little while. Let them sit in that, and they can look pretty in that. So I hope you enjoyed that. But again, tell me down below if you want to see the videos of me staining the doll. And if you want to try it, go for it. It does work. I'm not going to say it doesn't. But if you want to go with the soft pastels, great. If you want to go with the oil pastels, if you're happy with that, go ahead. You can use the lipstick and the hand cream. If that's what you want to do, that's all up to you. It was Dodie's Restoration and myself that first came up with the lipstick, using the lipstick method. And it was her idea to use lipstick. So I know there was another site that came out afterwards that was putting hand lotion with it. And but the only thing is that I don't know if you can seal it. When I used it, the lipstick was coming onto their clothing, was coming off. So that means you need a sealer with it. And I was rubbing it right in, but it was coming right back off again, just with handling the doll. It faded over time, and it was also staining their clothes. So I don't know if you can seal lipstick. That's the problem. I don't know. And can you seal hand lotion? I know you wipe it off just as well, like with my method. But with mine, there's no other ingredients. It's just the soft pastel. So keep that in mind. You can use whatever method you like, but I'm just giving you a little bit of information there. So anyways, I leave that with you, and let me know down below if you want to see it or not, and I can put them up because I got them on my computer. So thanks again, and nice talking to you. Bye-bye.